Picture this. You're standing in a room buzzing with chaos, people shouting, posturing, desperate for attention. Yet you remain untouched, a pillar of calm amidst the storm. Your silence isn't weakness, it's a calculated choice, a declaration of power that only a few can grasp. In a world obsessed with validation, you choose to rise above the noise. Welcome to Sigma Male Community, where we forge men of iron will, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. Today we're unraveling the psychological mastery of ignoring a woman, a strategy that only Sigma males truly comprehend. This isn't about games or cruelty, it's about wielding your attention as a weapon of self-mastery, commanding respect through discipline and purpose. Let's dive into the art of strategic silence and discover how it shapes your reality. 1. Intuitive human insight, the authenticity filter. Sigma males possess a razor-sharp instinct for authenticity, forged through years of observing human behavior with unrelenting clarity. They don't just hear words, they dissect tone, posture, and intent with the precision of a surgeon. When a woman's actions contradict her words, perhaps a fleeting glance betrays her charm or her energy feels forced, the Sigma male senses it instantly. Ignoring her isn't judgment, it's self-defense, a refusal to let inauthenticity erode his mental fortress. Stoicism teaches us to guard our inner peace, to focus only on what aligns with our truth. By disengaging from superficial connections, the Sigma preserves his energy for those who match his commitment to honesty, ensuring his interactions are meaningful and purposeful. This act of selective focus has a magnetic effect. Women, sensing the Sigma's high standards, are drawn to the challenge of earning his attention. It's not rejection, it's curation, a deliberate choice to surround himself only with those who reflect his values. This creates a dynamic where authenticity becomes the price of entry into his world. As Epictetus reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. By ignoring the inauthentic, the Sigma male exercises that power, crafting a reality where only the worthy gain his time and respect. 2. Scarcity economics. Attention as high-value currency. Attention is the currency of human connection, and Sigma males treat it like gold in a world of paper money. They understand that flooding the market with constant availability cheapens their worth, much like overprinting currency triggers inflation. Instead, they deploy their focus sparingly with calculated precision. Behavioral psychology supports this. Intermittent reinforcement, offering rewards unpredictably, creates stronger emotional bonds than constant validation. When a Sigma delays a response or withholds validation, he sparks a dopamine-driven pursuit in women, making his attention a rare and coveted prize. This scarcity transforms interactions into investments. A woman who must earn a Sigma's engagement through genuine effort, whether intellectual depth or aligned values, assigns greater value to his presence. His silence speaks louder than 1,000 words from a lesser man. Stoicism teaches us to value what is rare and to control what we give freely. For the Sigma male, attention is not a gift to be squandered, it's a strategic asset, spent only where it compounds his purpose and influence. 3. The challenge paradox, reverse pursuit dynamics. Human nature craves what is hard-won, and Sigma males master this truth by refusing to chase. While others drown women in predictable flattery, the Sigma inverts the dynamic, becoming the enigma she must unravel. This isn't manipulation, it's psychology at work. The effort justification principle shows that people value what they invest in, and when a woman expends mental energy decoding a Sigma's reserved nature, she rationalizes that effort as attraction. His refusal to pursue positions him as a challenge, a puzzle that ignites primal curiosity. This reverse dynamic is rooted in Stoic self-sufficiency. As Marcus Aurelius said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. The Sigma male doesn't need external validation. His confidence is internal, unshakable. By embodying this self-contained strength, he becomes a psychological magnet, drawing others into his orbit. Women don't just want his attention, they want to earn it, and that pursuit amplifies his power. 4. Core value fortification, the non-negotiable boundary. For a Sigma male, values like integrity, ambition, and autonomy are non-negotiable. When a woman's beliefs or behaviors clash with these principles, ignoring her is an act of mutual preservation. It's not about disdain, it's about efficiency. Engaging with someone whose values misalign is like pouring water into a cracked vessel. It leaks, wasting precious resources. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we control, our actions, our boundaries. By disengaging, the Sigma protects his purpose, ensuring his energy fuels his mission rather than friction. This unyielding stance paradoxically attracts higher caliber women. A man who holds firm to his principles radiates self-respect, a quality that commands admiration. Women sense that his attention is reserved for those who align with his vision, and this clarity draws those who share his standards. As Seneca noted, associate with people who are likely to improve you. The Sigma male lives this truth, ignoring those who don't elevate his path and inviting those who do. 5. The unapproachable aura, crafting mystique. Sigma males craft an aura of mystique, not through arrogance but through deliberate restraint. Like a luxury brand that thrives on exclusivity, they make their presence a privilege, not a given. Measured speech, unpredictable availability, and emotional discipline create a sense of mystery that captivates. This isn't aloofness, it's psychological strategy, leveraging curiosity to deepen impact. Women are drawn to what requires effort to understand, and a Sigma's selective engagement forces them to invest in unraveling his layers. This mystique is a Stoic principle in action. Control what you reveal and let your actions speak. As Epictetus said, silence is safer than speech. The Sigma's silence isn't empty, it's a resonant force pulling others toward him. By making his attention a rare commodity, he transforms interactions into meaningful exchanges, where only those willing to meet his depth gain access to his world. You're here because the ordinary suffocates you. This isn't about ignoring women for the sake of it, it's about architecting a reality where your purpose reigns supreme. While others chase fleeting validation, you build devotion through discipline and self-mastery. The choice is stark: blend into the noise of mediocrity or wield these truths to command respect. Your sovereignty is yours to claim, don't let it slip. 6. Self-priority as magnetic core. Sigma males don't juggle priorities, they eliminate distractions. By ignoring attention-seeking ploys, they signal an unshakable commitment to their mission. This focus isn't selfish, it's magnetic. Women are drawn to a man whose purpose is his North Star, a man who cannot be swayed by transient demands. His unavailability isn't rejection, it's proof that he owns his destiny, a quality that radiates strength and commands respect. Stoicism teaches us to prioritize what aligns with our highest good. For the Sigma male, this means placing his mission above fleeting emotional pulls. When he chooses ambition over distraction, he demonstrates a value hierarchy that others instinctively admire. This isn't about neglecting relationships, it's about ensuring that every interaction serves his greater purpose, making his presence a privilege that elevates those around him. 7. Tactical patience, the Domino strategist. Weak men react impulsively, Sigma males orchestrate outcomes with patience. By pausing, whether before replying to a message or committing to plans, they create space for situations to unfold on their terms. This isn't passivity, it's coiled energy, a deliberate tension that amplifies impact when released. In dating, this patience creates anticipation, allowing a woman's imagination to heighten her attraction. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." The Sigma male wields this power through tactical patience, understanding that urgency breeds chaos, while restraint breeds control. His silence is strategic, a calm before the storm that ensures his actions land with maximum force. This disciplined approach transforms interactions into calculated moves, each one advancing his purpose. 8. Escaping the nice guy trap, the respect doctrine. The nice guy trap is a prison of self-betrayal, where men trade dignity for approval. Sigma males reject this, adhering to a doctrine of self-respect above all. By refusing to pedestalize women, they create a dynamic where respect is mutual. She either rises to his standards or fades away. This isn't harshness, it's clarity. When a woman's tactics, guilt, flattery, or withdrawal, fail to sway him, his authority grows. Stoicism teaches us to value our own judgment over external validation. For the Sigma male, this means standing firm, an immovable force in a world of shifting emotions. His refusal to compromise his principles creates a polarity that draws women who respect strength. He becomes the center of gravity, a man whose presence commands without demanding. 9. Intermittent reinforcement, the addiction blueprint. Psychology reveals a powerful truth. Unpredictable rewards create stronger bonds than consistent ones. Sigma males master this by dispensing attention sporadically, a message after silence, a plan after absence. This triggers dopamine spikes, conditioning women to associate his presence with excitement. It's not manipulation, it's an understanding of human behavior, turning his attention into a psychological reward she craves. The genius lies in the gaps. Her mind fills the silence with idealized narratives, deepening her investment. As Seneca said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. The Sigma male uses this to his advantage, letting her imagination amplify his value. His sporadic engagement isn't random, it's a calculated rhythm, a psychological slot machine that keeps her engaged and intrigued. 10. Strategic non-conformity, rewriting the script. Sigma males don't reject social norms, they render them irrelevant. By ignoring dating rules, like constant texting or predictable compliments, they create a unique rhythm that others must adapt to. This positions the Sigma as the architect of the interaction, not a follower of scripts. His refusal to conform shatters expectations, forcing women to navigate his uncharted territory. This nonconformity is a stoic act of autonomy. As Epictetus taught, freedom is not procured by a full enjoyment of what is desired, but by controlling the desire. The Sigma male controls his actions, not society's expectations. His unpredictability isn't chaos, it's a deliberate statement of independence, making him a magnetic force who rewrites the rules of engagement. 11. Temporal sovereignty, time as leverage. Time is the Sigma male's most precious asset, and he wields it with precision. By ignoring time wasters, endless texting low-value dates, he invests his hours in legacy-building pursuits. His schedule reflects an iron hierarchy, mission first, distractions last. This temporal discipline isn't arrogance, it's the calculus of significance, ensuring every moment serves his purpose. Women sense this discipline and respect it. When a Sigma allocates time sparingly, his presence becomes a rare commodity, a privilege that must be earned. As Seneca said, life is long if you know how to use it. The Sigma male uses his time to build, not to chase, and this clarity draws those who accelerate his purpose while rendering the irrelevant obsolete. This isn't about manipulation, it's about operational integrity. Ignoring distractions isn't a game, it's a commitment to honoring your purpose so fiercely that the unworthy fade from view. Your attention is your ultimate currency, spend it where it compounds your legacy. At Sigma Male Community, we're here to guide you on this path of self-mastery, offering wisdom for men who refuse to settle for mediocrity. If this resonates, don't just watch, act. Like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts, share it with a brother who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Sigma Male Community for more insights to fuel your growth. If you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to stay locked in. Your journey to becoming an unshakable Sigma starts now. Recalibrate. Execute. Dominate.